Hi everyone, I am C. Visweswaran in association with Dr. B. Maruti Shankar, R. Sharat Kumar, S. P. Karthi, and Arun Kumar of Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Feel immense pleasure in providing an idea for MHRD Mega Innovation Challenge Samadhan organized by MHRD and AICTE. Let's fly from flu using accumulation quadcopters. The proposed idea for this innovation challenge is COVID-19 outbreak, which is increasing day by day, and no vaccine has been developed to combat against the pandemic. It has a very high intensity to kill humans as well as the animals. Social distancing and staying at home are the two solutions that can get away from COVID 19. In this situation, having medicines and other daily needs from shops to the residents are at a high risk. In order to avoid these kind of risks, we are going to develop an accumulation quadcopter that can be used to collect the same directly from the shops. It can also be used for providing foods to the poor and needy and avoid gathering of people and chaos at a particular location. In the methodology part, a special type of quadcopter in the form of drones that can fly up to 500 feet high from the ground is taken into account. Drones can carry 4 to 5 kilograms of weight with a box that is kept for collection of materials from the shop to the residence. Sanitizer is placed under the display of the drone for sanitization purpose. GPS is provided for autonomicity and live tracking of the drone. These accumulation quadcopters can also perform sanitization process as which is the first and foremost step to fight against the pandemic. The quadcopter we have developed already is a prototype for our accumulation quadcopter. We have used 1400 kilovolt motors coupled with a 9-inch propeller in our prototype, which is capable of carrying a payload of about 1000 to 1500 grams varying with the flying velocity. The prototype can be revamped as accumulation quadcopter by using a 12-inch propeller and motor with 800 to 1000 kilovolt. Thus, each motor propeller pair can produce a thrust of 2500 to 3000 grams of thrust, which is sufficient to carry a payload of 4000 grams. Let's fight against COVID 19.